Hey, what's up, everyone? I'm Sade. Thank you so much for joining me for our breathwork sound breathing meditation. And for today's meditation, or sound breathing, I should say, we are going to work on releasing any worry or fear out of the heart space through our sound vocal vibration. And the sound that we will recite will be you. We'll recite that sound 2 times, long and loud, focusing on our heart space and focusing on the color green. Green is the color of the heart chakra, as well as pink, if you want to focus on a light pink color. And the belief behind sound purification is that through using our vocal cords and focusing on a space in our body, just the vibration of our voice alone can shift, move, and transfer the energy around in our body, especially if we have the intention of releasing and letting go. So let's go ahead and get started. Come to a comfortable seated position, or if you're laying down and that feels good for you, you can do that as well. You want your limbs to be down by your side so you feel nice and relaxed. And let's go ahead and take a breath together before we begin. So start with your exhale, let something go. Now take a full breath, deep inhale through your nose. Through the mouth, let it go. All right, feel free to close your eyes or bring them to a slight close if that feels appropriate. And let's go ahead and have our first sound breathing for the heart space. So just gently start to breathe through your body, feeling how your breath is transferring through. And really breathe all the way down to your toes. Let your breath travel all the way up to the crown of your head. And as you exhale, allow yourself to release, bring in some softness. And take a few more cleansing breaths just like that. Deep inhale. And exhale. Again, inhale. And exhale. And start to bring your awareness all the way towards your heart space. And start to envision the color green or pink beaming from your heart space. This sound is going to help us to release any worry or fear that we might be holding on to in the heart. And this sound is you. We'll make this sound 2 times, long and loud. Deep inhale to begin. You. Again, just like that, watching all of the fear and worry leave your body. Deep inhale to begin. You. Gently return back to normal breathing, breathing in and out through your nose. And allowing the vibrations to flow through your body, to flow through the heart space. Opening up the heart to let go so that we can receive Inhale and exhale. One more, just like that, full breath. Hold your breath at the top. Really seal and lock your breath in. And through the mouth, let it go. Beautiful, everyone. Slowly flutter your eyes open. And that was our sound breathing purification. Feel free to do this as many times as you need. And remembering our voice, our vibration of our sound can really shift, unlock, and transform energy within our body and within the universe. So thank y'all so much for joining, and I will see you for our next breath work or meditation.